Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we bring you an in-depth look at the recent price trends in domestic and international pepper markets. Let's dive in. As of January 15th, pepper prices in both domestic and Vietnamese markets have witnessed a slight decline. This comes after a significant upward trend in recent sessions, with weaker demand at elevated price levels now taking its toll. In India, major markets in Kerala and Karnataka have reported a drop of 1,200 rupees per quintal. Current prices in Kochi for ungarbled pepper stand at 64,500 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is trading at 66,500 rupees per quintal. The price for 500 gl pepper is at 63,500 rupees. Karnataka markets are reflecting similar trends, with prices ranging between 64,400 rupees and 66,700 rupees per quintal. This decline comes as market activity cools off after 10 sessions of steady price rises. Shifting focus to Vietnam, the major pepper-producing provinces have also seen a price decline. Prices have dropped by 1 Vietnamese dong, 700 per kilogram, now ranging between 147,000 Vietnamese dongs and 147,300 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. Despite this, demand from China ahead of the Lunar New Year is projected to support the market. On a global scale, black pepper prices have remained relatively stable, with minor fluctuations across most origins. Here's a quick look at the current free on board (FOB) quotes for black pepper. Brazil Aster, 6,350 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 500 gl, 6,350 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 550 gl, 6,650 United States dollars per metric ton. Indonesia Aster, 7,142 United States dollars per metric ton. Malaysia, 8,700 Malaysian ringgit per metric ton. Indonesia has seen a slight decrease in prices, but other regions are maintaining consistency. These trends highlight the dynamic nature of the pepper market and the influence of both local and global factors. That's all for today's update on pepper prices. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mani Guru for the latest updates and expert analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thank you for watching.